So that's really the basis of what I wanted to talk about in today's video, is just with your bundles, implement something called a sales ladder. And I know I didn't go over like exactly what a sales ladder is and all the psychological things that trickles down to it. You don't need to know that. Bundle 1, $500. Bundle 2, $200 more at $700. Bundle 3, most valuable, $100 more. You know, whatever I put, $800, $900, whatever it ends up being with the math. You will make more money. And then you have that price anchor of, if your most expensive bundle is $900, have the other one be something stupid like $1,700. I promise you will make more sales. As long as like the way that you list it out is like valuable. And like I talked about, you don't just ascribe random numbers that all those individual services wouldn't add up to, and they would actually be losing money by going with the bundle. Anyways, all that to say, just be smart. I feel like I could end, like, beginning and end every video with like, use your brain and you should be okay. Like, don't overthink things. You've got this. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.